Yo, what's up everyone? It's Jat here, back with another video. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the top 9 fields in computer science that are shaping the future. We're talking fields that are pushing the boundaries of what's possible, from AI that seems like something out of sci-fi to the intricate world of cybersecurity. Whether you're a student, a seasoned professional, or just curious about tech, this video is for you. We're going to break down each field, talk about what makes it so exciting, and give you a glimpse into what the future holds. So sit back, grab your coffee or tea, and let's jump right in. First up, we've got artificial intelligence, or AI as it's more popularly known. AI is more than just a buzzword, it's literally everywhere. We're talking self-driving cars, recommendation algorithms, and even healthcare systems that can diagnose diseases with incredible accuracy. AI is all about creating systems that can learn and make decisions like humans. Imagine a world where AI personalizes your education, automates mundane tasks, or even helps us tackle climate change. One of the most exciting areas of AI is deep learning, where we're training computers to process information in a way similar to the human brain. This is leading to breakthroughs in natural language processing, computer vision, and so much more. As we develop more sophisticated AI, we also need to address ethical considerations like bias in algorithms and the potential impact on jobs. Overall, AI is a field that's constantly evolving and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Moving on to a field that's more crucial now than ever before. Cybersecurity. In this digital age, protecting our data and systems is paramount. Cybersecurity is the shield that protects our digital lives from a constantly evolving landscape of threats. We're relying on online systems for everything from banking and shopping to communication and even critical infrastructure. This makes us vulnerable to a whole range of cyber threats, from data breaches to ransomware attacks. Cybersecurity professionals are like the digital detectives and guardians of the online world. They work tirelessly to identify vulnerabilities, prevent attacks, and ensure that our data stays safe. With new threats emerging all the time, cybersecurity experts need to be constantly learning and adapting. If you love solving puzzles and thinking critically, cybersecurity might just be the field for you. It's a challenging, yet incredibly rewarding career path that's only becoming more important with each passing day. Next up, let's talk about a field that's all about finding the stories hidden within mountains of data science. In today's data-driven world, we're generating an astronomical amount of information every single second. Data science is about extracting meaningful insights from this data deluge and using it to make better decisions. Data scientists use their skills in statistics, mathematics, and computer science to sift through massive datasets and extract valuable nuggets of information. They're the ones who can tell you what your customers are thinking, predict future market trends, and even help optimize business operations. One of the coolest things about data science is that it's applicable to pretty much every industry you can think of. If you've got a curious mind, a love for numbers, and a passion for uncovering hidden patterns, data science might just be your calling. It's a field that's constantly evolving, with new tools and techniques emerging all the time. So, if you're ready to dive into the world of big data and make a real impact, data science is definitely a field to consider. Let's be real, none of the amazing things we've talked about so far would be possible without software. Software development is the backbone of the digital world, the engine that powers everything from our smartphones to complex enterprise systems. Software developers are the architects and builders of the digital realm. They take ideas and turn them into tangible software applications that solve problems, entertain us, and make our lives easier. Software development is a vast field with countless specializations. You've got web developers, mobile app developers, game developers, and so many more. New programming languages, frameworks, and tools are emerging all the time, which means there's always something new to learn and explore. If you love the challenge of taking an idea from concept to reality, software development might just be the perfect fit for you. It's a field that offers endless possibilities for creativity, innovation, and making a real impact on the world around us. Now, let's talk about a field that's all about bridging the gap between humans and technology, human-computer interaction, or HCI for short. HCI is all about making technology more intuitive, accessible, and enjoyable to use. HCI professionals are the ones who make sure these interactions are seamless, efficient, and even delightful. They focus on user experience, making sure that technology is designed with human needs and capabilities in mind. HCI specialists come from diverse backgrounds, including computer science, psychology, design, and even anthropology. From designing user-friendly interfaces to developing virtual reality experiences, HCI plays a crucial role in shaping how we interact with technology. If you're passionate about both technology and human behavior, HCI might just be the perfect field for you. It's a field that's constantly evolving as new technologies emerge, and it offers the opportunity to make a real difference in people's lives. All right, who's ready to talk about robots? Robotics is a field that's always captured our imaginations, and it's rapidly moving from the realm of science fiction to our everyday reality. Robotics is all about designing, building, and programming robots that can perform tasks autonomously or semi-autonomously. Robots come in all shapes and sizes, from industrial robots used in manufacturing to surgical robots that assist surgeons with complex procedures. Robotics is a highly interdisciplinary field that draws upon expertise from mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, computer science, and even artificial intelligence. Robotics engineers design the physical structure of robots, develop the software that controls their movements, and integrate sensors and actuators. As technology continues to advance, we're seeing robots being used in more and more applications. If you love tinkering, building things, and pushing the boundaries of what's possible, robotics might just be the field for you. It's a challenging, yet incredibly rewarding field that's at the forefront of technological innovation. Let's face it, in today's hyper-connected world, we rely on networks and systems to function flawlessly. Network and systems administrators are the unsung heroes. They install, configure, maintain, and troubleshoot complex networks, ensuring data flow is uninterrupted and everything works as it should. They manage servers, configure networks, and implement security protocols. Their role is more critical than ever before. If you enjoy technology and troubleshooting, this might be the career for you. Now, who's up for some fun? Game development combines creativity, technology, and pure entertainment. Developers are the architects of virtual worlds and immersive narratives. They collaborate with artists, designers, programmers, and sound engineers. The field has many specializations. Designers conceptualize mechanics, storylines, and characters. Programmers write the code for game engines and AI. Artists and sound designers create visuals, animations, and sound effects. Game development is challenging, rewarding, and offers endless creativity. Let's delve into a field at the intersection of biology and computer science. Bioinformatics. Bioinformatics uses computational tools to analyze biological data. Bioinformaticians develop algorithms and software tools. They help unlock DNA mysteries and create personalized medicine. Genomics uses high-throughput sequencing to study the human genome. Bioinformaticians identify disease-causing mutations and develop diagnostics. If you love biology and computer science, bioinformatics is for you. It's making a real difference by addressing humanity's pressing challenges. That's a wrap. We've covered a lot of ground today, from the mind-bending world of artificial intelligence to the intricacies of network administration. These 9 fields represent just a glimpse into the vast and ever-evolving landscape of computer science. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, leave a comment down below telling us which field you found most interesting, and subscribe for more content on the latest in technology and computer science. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible.